Morning guys, welcome to another vlog. आज है Saturday morning, which means we get a lot of time as a family together. और आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं on a little bit of road trip and meeting one of our friends. We are going to a place called Ipswich. शशांक काफी दिन तक वहाँ पे he was working 4 days a week. Remember Shashank?
I used to travel on Monday and come back on Thursday.
When he was working for his client, AXA. Yeah.
And I used to stay in a boutique hotel.
It was a very nice hotel. I wish I was doing YouTube then and I made a video. मैं लंदन में रहती थी और शशांक जाता था रोज सुबह हर मंडे ड्राइव करके और थर्सडे को वो घर आ जाता था. And it used to be one of our best memories because Monday of course we used to feel a little bit bad. But he was with like a full boys वहाँ पे like all his friends together.
I used to play cricket on Tuesdays, badminton on Wednesdays, and swimming on Mondays.
That was physical fitness, and then he would hit a pub.
And then would hit a pub every night.
Every night they would hit a pub. This is like early 30s, late 20s, and I was living here in London. So मैं Monday को sad feel करती थी, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I would just binge watch. Look how our faces light up thinking about our pre-child phase. But we love you, Peach. ये हमारी छुटकी पुटकी पीछी. She is enjoying. ये couch जब से हम लोग डाले हैं, हम और शशांक यहाँ पे hardly बैठते because she takes the whole couch. But she is ready with all her books. क्योंकि डैडी वीकेंड में उसको बुक पढ़ देगा. He's not going to office today. Another amazing thing about this Saturday is that our precious Nespresso is back. Who wants to read a book?
Me. चलो.
I'm making some halwa balls for Peachy. Basically, जब भी हम लोग travel करते हैं, try to take something that's really easy for her to like eat on the go. So made suji का halwa with palm sugar. I'm going to make balls out of it. Go. It's always so difficult to decide कि क्या पहनना है. जो हमारे फ्रेंड का किड है, he happens to be like, मेरा और उसका कनेक्शन तब से है जब वो 2 या 3 साल का था, हमारे पास पहली बार मिलने आया था. Then I was not a mother of course, and we have been very close. Like I really enjoy his company and want to play. So I want to be a child with them rather than being adults की बैठे हुए बस and not playing with children. So I have to wear something that's comfortable and I can just be on the floor and stuff. देखते हैं. So difficult to decide. And as a mom, इतना time भी नहीं है मेरे पास. Like I have to do it quick. This loose jeans. I love it. It's so good. And देखते हैं अभी. Top तो कुछ भी डाल देंगे. So I'm ready. Put like a basic top और loose basic jeans. Like I said, मेरे को कुछ comfortable पहनना था. और I haven't done overload of makeup but थोड़ा किया है. 1-1.5 घंटे में वो थोड़ा सेट हो जाएगा. My clothes are peeping out. मेरा पूरा कबर्ड का हालत ख़राब हो गया है just to wear this one single nice top and one single nice jeans. I wish मेरे को first point पे पता होता कि यही पहनना है. तब तक मैंने अपने IT गाय को बोला है कि मेरा IT का सारा काम कर दे. Hey IT. I've had a change of clothes. Like My brain's fried. मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है मैं क्या पहनूं और सब कुछ इतना अजीब दिख रहा है. But this is what I'm wearing now. So like a nice loose jeans and this top from H&M. Klo ka cardigan. You want to wear that one?
This one. Look, Peppa is wearing a dress.
It's the best. Whatever we do, we are always running late because कुछ होता रहता है. But yeah, we are ready now and leaving now. शशांक चार्जर वार्जर हटा रहा है गाड़ी का. पीछे गाड़ी में है. And let's start. Let's go.
Let's go.
Look at my hair right now. मेरे को निकलना होता है. मेरा वो specific clutcher नहीं मिल रहा होता है. मेरा वो specific top नहीं मिल रहा होता है. जो मेरे को पहनना होता है वो iron नहीं है. There are days when I feel my life is so unorganized and there are days I'm so good at it. That's Peachy enjoying her popcorns in the back seat. Are you enjoying your popcorn, Peachy? Oh, you don't want it? Okay, can mummy take it from you? Yeah, okay. Sleep हो गई है, which is amazing because अब वो जब उठेगी तो she will be like fresh, और it is also our time to like catch up and chat. I also wanted to say कि हम लोग काफ़ी प्लान करके निकलते हैं क्योंकि पीची का 2 फिक्स नैप टाइम्स है दिन में, so we try to like catch one of her nap time. Shashank, you're looking nice.
Thank you.
This is our breakfast.
वो मेरा है चिकन फ्राई. हमारे पास फूड कुक था, फ्रिज में था. We didn't get time to eat it.
That insane is life, but it's a lovely life. What has Shashank got to me? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Such an autumn thing to eat. इसके साथ थोड़ा सा वो मिल जाता,
Coffee.
कॉफी.
ये जब हम 2018-19 में जब ऑफिस जाते थे और ये रास्ता आता था, आई यूज्ड टू फील सो मच ग्रैटिट्यूड कि यार ये क्या ड्राइव है, क्या सुंदर रास्ता है. टू फील वेरी नाइस.
थोड़े दिनों पहले वी हैव स्विच टू अ डिफरेंट कार बिकॉज शशांक बहुत दिन से रिसर्च कर रहा था एंड ही वांटेड टू गो ऑन द ईवी. ये जो जितना भी कार वार का डिसीजन होता है वो हमेशा शशांक का होता है, मेरा बस वो होता है.
If you like it or not.
And
budget. Budget discussion.
Money discussions. But he is like in love with this car and let me tell you, it might sound like oh क्या snobbish है, सारा टाइम अपने कार के बारे में बात करता है. Shashank is actually passionate about cars. Like any car on the road, he will know the model, make, whatever, like everything. So yeah, how do you like your car, Shashank?
It's amazing. The thing is, मैं क्योंकि एकदम ब्रांड न्यू इसमें फीचर्स बहुत अमेजिंग फीचर्स हैं. ऑफ कोर्स ये फीचर काफी पुराना है बट आई एम लविंग इट. लाइक द अडैप्टिव क्रूज कंट्रोल जो अपने आप स्पीड कम कर देता है अगर आगे गाड़ी हो तो. द लेन असिस्ट, अगर हम लेन से कट रहे हैं तो हमको अपने आप हल्का सा सीधा लेन में ले आता है, सेंटर में ले आता है. दैट्स अमेजिंग. द लेन असिस्ट इज अमेजिंग. और इसमें ड्राइवरलेस फीचर भी है बट आई एम नॉट यूजिंग दैट. I'm using a one pedal drive, so I'm not touching brakes. It has a feature called one pedal drive. I'm just using the accelerator to drive.
I can tell you, like moms can go on and on about their children, and men can go all and all about their cars and children.
And children.
अभी ये YouTube vlogging phase, by the way, behind the scenes बहुत intense है. Shashank is doing a lot of housework क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस के साथ कर रही हूँ तो मैं या तो लंच में एडिट करती हूँ, ऑफिस के पहले करती हूँ या बाद में, क्योंकि दिन भर इतना काम होता है ऑफिस का. और शशांक ऑफिस और पीची को जगल कर रहा है एंड ही इज ऑल्सो हैंडलिंग ऑल द हाउस चोर्स. इट इज अ बिट इंटेंस बट
Manageable है. It's manageable.
now like no others. We are almost here. We are actually in the city now. Who has hiccups right now? Who? 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 Aww. Aww. Oh, you came. Bye, Sai. अब हम लोग लौट रहे हैं पीछे के साई भैया के घर से. We didn't want to take a lot of videos of their house because it's somebody's personal space. But हाँ, जो भी थोड़ा cute moments था, we wanted to show you.
So Peach had a lot of fun.
she enjoyed with Sai Bhaiya और इनका एज गैप इज 6 years. फिर भी a 2-year-old and an 8-year-old played so much.
Sai is one of the best ever kids that we have seen. Like uska, he's so well mannered. He's so caring, polite. He's also like very careful, you know,
Around Peach.
around people in general. She's played so much. She's now tired. We were fed the best biryani ever. Tastiest rasmalai, Coke. Did you have coffee?
I had coffee.
Wow. That was the end of today's vlog. Hope you had fun watching it. We met our lovely friends. And Peachy, did you have fun? Do you like Sai Bhaiya?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to go again?
Yeah.
Momo, come, you want a hug? Do you miss Sai Bhaiya, beta?